Yo, what up, what up, what up? So today is the 8th. Today is Sunday, the 8th. But I'm recording the trade recap of the 6th, so Friday. During Friday, we ended up taking my like a small loss. Let me go and see this month. Nope. All time. And as you can see, we're still green on the week. We're still green on the month. And yeah, so we ended up taking two trade, one long in the morning, so London session, and one short in New York AM. So let's start with our first trade. So our first trade was during London. Okay, my time, London my time. Let me remove this. And yeah, so we made 71 bucks on this one. I was like trading really low size just because is not that I wasn't sure, but it was pre-market, and even this time I was like 1 minute before market open, so I said like I don't wanna, I don't wanna force it. I just wanted to try it, take it because I like it, and so this is why I took only I think four contract on this one, MNQ. The thought process, like behind this London trade was, um, so we had a lot of drawn liquidity higher, okay, and on the daily we were already too much lower in my opinion. So like if you wanted to come down and take those weekly lows, okay, the this liquid weekly low, um, I wouldn't even like trade this day, right? Because we were float down the whole entire week. So I said like, okay, we have this daily gap right there where we can rebalance this whole entire price leg, and even this one. So I said like, okay, I want to see price retrace a bit for the end of the week, and then we can see what we want to do next week, right? So coming to the day, as I said during London, I wanted to see price go higher. Let me mark out the daily fair value, and let's put this like this in red. So which was even previously high, so perfect drawn liquidity. So as you can see, my idea was going higher. We took during pre London pre-market, we took internal high, we manipulated lower to this 1 hour gap. This was 1 hour gap, and my idea was to see price coming lower, remanipulate, and then go higher at open at London open. Um, as the other day when we took the long in London morning, was this one? Yeah, it was this one. The trade occurs like before 9:30 open, right? London open. Sorry, guys. A little bit tired. So what I was looking for was a manipulation inside some sort of gap, and here we had inside the 1 hour, inside this 5 minute here. Okay, so my opinion, this was really good. As you can see, we swooped this low because we never closed below it. We swooped the low, and this was like the first and main idea. This was London Open. We came down, swoop, and then go higher. The trade that we took was a little bit before, so we had the same scenario. Like we have a low inside a gap, we swoop it. I was looking to see some sort of change in state here, but wasn't the case. So what we did was we swept once again, we push higher after the change in state, confirming the change in state delivery right there, and we open this bullish gap. As soon as we open this bullish gap, I waited to see the slow getting swept, right? I want to see it because I don't want to enter right off of here. Okay, I want to see this low getting swept and then push higher. So as soon as we push lower to sweep this low, I enter my position here, stop loss at the stop rate that we had before, and break even at the internal high. This one I know is kind of wrong, would be right there, but as I said before, was 8:55 and London open at 9, so I was 5 minutes before London open, and as you can see, volatility is crazy when a session's open. So I said, like, let me go break even here, it is what it is and shit. So we hit TP1, and I took out like 50% of my position, so I think two contracts right there for 71 bucks. And yeah, this would have been the real trade, so real and true manipulation of this low inside the gap, um, strong displacement over the fair value. I don't want to see this level getting tapped again if you want to go higher. And yeah, and this would have been the trade. 2 hours trade with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minute. Yeah, why not? Then what happened later? This is what happened later. My bad. This was 100% my fault. Looking back is for real my fault, bro. So, let's be quick. We had this 1 hour before New York Open. We have this 1 hour unfilled fair value. This was unfilled, unfilled. This was 1 hour unfilled fair value gap, and as I said before, my draw liquidity for the day was higher because we have this sell side, this buy side, this internal high, this previous day high. We had this red line, which was the daily fair value gap. So I said, like, no way we're gonna go lower. But before taking a trade, I wanted to see this 1 hour unfilled gap holding price and push us higher, right? Because if the candle closes like let me do some shit. So this is the gap and this is the equilibrium, right? If the candle closes like this and was a bearish one, you want it for real, too short, too long? I don't think so, right? So I wanted to see this 1 hour gap holding, and as you can see, as soon as we open New York, where is here, as soon as we open New York here, we swept and we tapped inside the 1 hour and failed, and we have a strong rejection to the upside. So I said, like, okay, we have the manipulation lower, we're pushing higher. Now I want to see a retracement to maybe go even higher, right? So what I was looking was this 4 hour gap here. If you go in 4 hour time frame, um, if we go in here, if you go in 4 hour time frame here, we see the price tapped inside this 4 hour and reject, right? Why I took a loss here and was so fucking stupid, bro. So fucking stupid. I was too focused on the lower time frame that I didn't see this internal high be above us, right? Inside the 4 hour. So this, in my opinion, is a good loss because rules were respected, price action was good, trade was not forced, um, but discretionary wasn't there because I must have checked before that we have some sort of internal liquidity inside the 4 hour and even inside this 1 hour here. So this is 100% my fault. This is the trade that I took. I took this one. Uh, Execution are not there because, as you can see, I'm not logged inside my TradeAway account because during the weekend I like to log myself out, and my idea was to, as you can see down there, we have a 5 minute. Where it is? Here we have a 5 minutes. So uh, as soon as we tap inside this 5 minute, go and break even, and maybe let it run till this rejection block here. Take some out here, maybe some more here, and shit. The real trade that I had to take was this one. This, as you can see, is really, really perfect. 5 minute trade. Uh, yeah, so as before, we tap inside the 1 hour here, we push higher, taking how on the low, London high, tap inside this 4 hour gap, took out internal high, have 1 minute bearish confluence, so bearish, bullish IFEG. At the same time, we have our changing state on the 1 minute. So, yeah, bread and butter, bro. Let it run till this 5 minute, okay? And maybe, if you're pretty sure, take something out of this uh, rejection blocker down there, right? For a total for 3.5 R. Yeah, sometimes you have to lose in order to win, bro. In order to learn some new shit. So this is the price that I'm paying right now. But I'm not mad because I'm. Let me go on dashboard. Customize all time. I'm up on January, 1.2k. Up on February, 400 for 3 days of February. I'm up on the week and I'm up on the year. So what the fuck? I should have I should have been mad at myself. Yeah, at myself just a little bit because it was an error and a mistake that I could have been like seen before, but like that's the game, guys. That's the game. That's what it takes to always get good. I think my stats for January are really really good. 68% win rate. So force win streak. So I'm pretty happy. Look forward to maybe see what February comes. I don't know next week if you have news. Monday 9 nothing. Tuesday we have okay. Wednesday not gonna trade for sure. Unemployment of NFP for unemployment claims and CPI. Yeah, guys. Probably CPI. Yeah, high and lows of news. Don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, for watching my content. Leave a like if you like it, and yeah, let's see on the next one, bro.